Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, one owner. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.